Hello everyone. I'm not sure if the stream is running. Let me check where's YouTube Studio. Here we go, Studio YouTube. How do I start live? Oh, here. Okay. Hey everyone. Oh no, OBS Studio disconnected. Reconnecting. What the hell? No, I hope my studio won't crash. I am semi-streaming to like smaller bitrate. Oh no. Wait. It says to like faster. Here we go. Hey everyone, welcome to the stream. I hope you can hear me. And today, I'm going to stream, right? I'm actually making this little game, silly game right here, right? How do I share the stream? How do I share it? I'm not sure. Can I share it? Here we go. Wait, let me open Discord. Let me open Discord. I was not prepared for making a stream, but I was just bored. And last time, it completely flopped because there was storm and my Wi-Fi crashed. I'm going to make an announcement probably, or maybe like new video. I think. One. All right. I hope you can hear me. Wait, let me test if you can hear me, guys. Wait. One. All right. I hope you can hear me. Wait, let me. Okay, it should work. It should work. I'm not sure, but it should work. Hopefully. My Wi-Fi is really bad, and I think, guys, you can kind of see that. But yeah, that's just not my problem, right? Or it is, but yeah, let's just get to it. So I have this little game. It's nothing original. I think this game is like already been made like 100 times, but here I am and I'm gonna make it again. But I'm not copying anyone, just so you know, guys. So this is a game where you have a lemonade stand and you sell lemonade. Yeah, I built this and I made this lemonade machine. Let me just make it better. I don't like it really. Looks pretty weird. I'm gonna make like a button. Yeah, that looks much better. Oh my god, that looks much better. It's real nice. Wait, now I have two of these. I'm not sure if I should put it in this one or... Yeah, I'm probably gonna put the main into this one. So I'm just gonna rename this to part. It will not be used anymore. This is the main. Let's go. So the GUI attachment, it will be like here. Yeah, something like this. And the prompt attachment will be just, yeah, like this. Yeah, something like this. It will not require line of sight. Let's go. So, let me test it up. I don't have a selling system yet. I just created this game yesterday at midnight. And as you can see, there's an NPC spawning. Right? It's here. you can push him, so that's a big problem also. But the plot system works kinda, I hope. And yeah, you can sell or make right now, make lemonade. It's not showing here, and it's not even showing in the data, but I think I deleted it there. Oh, well, then my game broke, and that's amazing. My game broke, and I have no idea why. Oh my god. Wait. Okay, I need to stop it again, even though I was testing it before the stream, like 5 seconds before the stream, and it was working. Wait, let me go through a debugger. Wait, I already have 5 lemonades, so that's why it doesn't work. Because in my data I already have 5 lemonades, and I think my studio just crashed. Amazing. My studio just crashed, bro. And then the same thing happened like 5 minutes ago. Amazing. Bro, what the hell? I hope I won't leak something here. I got a secret game, I can show that. I got something under it. I mean, I'll just leak my desktop right now, guys, I think. Hello everyone, welcome in the stream, by the way. Okay, I need to restart studio, finally. Own a lemonade stand and get rich. Yeah, so I'm going to make this game since my Grow a Fish game completely flopped, even though I spent 10k in advertisements. Holy, wait, I should probably set a do not disturb. That's a good thing. Wait, who contacted me? Hell no. Do not disturb for 1 hour. Yeah. So this works. And yeah, it works, but I just have 5 lemonades right now, so it won't work. So now I won't need to kind of code a system. So the NPC that's currently John. I have no idea why did I call it John, but here we go. I'm gonna make it anchored on the humanoid root part, so it will, you can like not push it away, like you can like, not do that, right? But it will still be able to walk. So let me test it out if that works, and I hope it works. Let's see. It should spawn here. Hello? Hello? Oh no. Why is it not moving now? Oh no. What did I do? Wait. That's weird. I didn't uncover everything, did I? Okay, that's really weird. I think it's a problem with R15. Or maybe I'm just dumb. I don't know. Huh? Why won't it work? But if I keep it unanchored, it works. What? Wait. And now it works. I mean, it's good for the testing, right? So you can now make lemonade, right? And it shows if you're close to it. But I need to kind of make a system so you can sell the lemonade to this guy right here, and be rich, right? So I need to think a way how I can do that, which I have no idea how to make that. But I think we can do that by creating. Here's the code for creating a customer, right? For that John guy that's only here. It's for testing here. And basically, I think I'll just create a proximity prompt inside of him. And if you trigger it, it will check if you have enough lemonade. And if you have, it will take 1 lemonade from you and give you money. And the NPC will walk away. I think that's how I will do it. But I have no idea if that's it, how it works. So let me just try. So let's do something like customer prompt, right? We'll create a new proximity prompt with instance new proximity prompt, and it will just be, yeah, it will just be like this, but we'll have requires lines of sight to false, right? So we can kind of like trigger it simply, even though if something is blocking the path, right? And I'm just gonna set the parents to the customers. Probably, I don't know if it should be head or humanoid root part or the torso. I think I will set it to primary part, which is humanoid root part. I think it's fine for the testing because this is a testing game, right? It's only for like testing purposes. And when we will trigger it, triggered connect function, another PLR, which we'll check in div statement, so nobody can hack our games. It's like an anti-cheat, even though it's not really. So only you can actually give the customers your lemonade, right? So nobody can steal from you, right? No other like player, because it's a multiplayer game. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna probably take 1 lemonade from you. So let's do that in the data manager that I'm working on. I'm probably gonna do like sell lemonade thing, sell lemonade. So I'm gonna do an if you have at least 1 lemonade. So if profile that lemonade is bigger than 1, right? Then we're gonna take that lemonade. So nobody has a lemonade right now. No, nobody, but it just takes 1 lemonade, right? If you have at least 1. And we're gonna give you some cash, which we can do in add coins. So I'm just gonna do something like this, right? Player and amount will be how much should be like a lemonade? Is 3 coins good or 5? Maybe 5 coins. I'm not sure. I don't know really. I don't know. Wait, is this how the quality looks? Oh, it looks pretty good. Wait. I'm just testing something. But let me do yeah, let me do that. And then we can return true and return false when you don't have enough lemonade, and the NPC will be like angry that you don't have any lemonade, and you kind of scan him. So he'll be really angry. I hope I'll be able to do that. So let's do data manager sell lemonade from the player and local success. Is it good spelling? Wait, let me check. Let me check. Oh, it's wrong. It's wrong. Sorry for that. Success. Right. So if success, then the NPC will just walk away, right? So customer humanoid will walk to back to the spawn, which is NPC spawn. The position. And when it moves to finished, it's going to customer waiting to false. So another one can spawn. And else, wait. We don't really need to do that. I'm just gonna keep it like this, right? Something like this, and we're gonna warn the success for now, but nothing crazy. Let's test out the game. So we got a John right here. Let's interact, and we got true, and we got 5 coins. Oh, okay. It doesn't destroy the customers that walk away, and also we can. Oh no. We can still give them lemonade. Oh, and more can spawn. Okay, that's because you have that one trigger. But hey, the main thing works. What? John. What are you doing, John? Oh, they fall. Bro, okay, this is really buggy. But if I just spam it E on 1, okay, then we have false because we run out of stock and we no longer get money and they just walk away. So that thing works. So that's nice. That's nice. So what are we going to do is after the move to finished, we're just going to delete the character, right? We're just going to delete him, destroy. And after like a second, yeah, after a second, another one can spawn. And I think that is how it should work. Let me test. So here we go. John right here. We didn't get any coins because I don't have any lemonade in stock. But this time I'll actually make a lemonade. Make lemonade. Yes, and we got true. Oh, I deleted that print. I was wondering why it doesn't print anymore. So it works, kind of. So the main game is working. I mean, it is somehow working. As you can see, we get a game loop. We can sell lemonade. We didn't get any money, but we can create lemonade. And just create. We should of course have some error handling, like show if you already have the limit and show it here. show if you don't have any lemonade to sell him. So that's what I'm going to do now. But first, I'm going to make, so if you trigger it and it is a success, or if it's not even, I don't care, it's going to destroy it. That's first thing that we need to do. So the success thing also works. So yeah, I'm also going to make, so if it's success, it's going to wait there for a second and then walk away. So it's like more human alike. Right? It goes here. I'm just gonna make lemonade, interact with him, and he walks away in a second. And then he destroys, and after a second, a new one appears. So yeah, the main thing is working. Right? We cannot give him another one if he already got one. So that's really nice. And I'm going to make some kind of message thing, so we'll like show a pop-up like, you don't have any lemonade, +5 coins if you actually sell something, and some kind of like message so the user knows. Because at the time, I don't really know how much lemonade I have, because, you know, this is only for me, for a developer, right? People won't see this. So yeah, we need to make that. And yeah, I think I'm gonna make, maybe I'm going to search for some kind of module. I don't want to create a whole system because it's pretty complicated if I want to do it with queue system. Let me check. Message queue system Roblox studio. How to make a global? No. Queue. I don't want to make a global message system. I don't know. Wait, did I just close my... Here we go. Right. So, I'm first going to add probably some music, because right now it's pretty sad, and every game needs music. So that's simple. So I'm going to do it first. Let's do chill. Yeah, I think this is good. It's like chilly, very nice. I'm going to search for a coin when you actually sell it. Okay, this is nice. I'm gonna put it in some service, and I'm gonna call it like coins, and like angry. If you don't give him actually lemonade, he'll be angry, right? So it's kind of angry. Wait, let me find duet 1. I wanna see that. This would be cool if I had this in the game from Pizza Place. Wait, it could say like hi and bye if you actually give it lemonade. That'll be actually pretty good personality to the NPCs. That'll be actually good. Huh? There's so many sounds, bro. That's crazy. Whoa. Huh? Wait, that's actually a pretty good idea. That's actually a nice idea. Bye. Bye. It's like copying, but it's open here. He made it public, so it's not my problem, right? It's him. It's him. Duet 1. The creator of Pizza Place. Yeah, I don't think that's a big problem. Mainly that my game is like, will have like 5 visits, so yeah. Yeah, so that's... Yeah, angry. I wanna put it there. Maybe I'm gonna make it a little bit slower so it like doesn't feel copied, like straight from the game. Wait. Okay, it sounds a little bit different if you actually change the speed. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like this because I don't wanna copy it completely, even though it's the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to probably I'm going to make maybe some kind of sound for this if you actually make lemonade, right? So some kind of like lemonade. Is there a lemonade sound? Lemonade. What a lemonade sounds like. Okay, there's no sound effect for that. Maybe it will be actually good if you actually give them lemonade, so they'll walk away with the lemonade tool. Wait, lemonade? This feels nice. Oh wait, let me just... Okay, so here we have a lemonade tool, right? Lemonade tool, it looks really nice. I'm not sure if I actually will drink from this, especially when you look in the straw, but I mean, it's fine. What is inside of here? Oh, nothing. Oh. All right, it's fine. It's fine. So let's see if there's some kind of script. Okay, I'm gonna not add these things. Decal. Oh, it just adds this. All right, all right, all right. And I think. Wait, let me check the. Holy no! Who made the script? Bro, this is like 2010 script. I'm deleting this. No. Okay, so we have a lemonade tool, and I want it so when you actually sell it to someone, the NPC will hold this, which I don't think it's really hard. I don't think so. Yeah, or maybe we can make it so the NPC will spawn with it, and when you actually sell him, it will just be visible, because that's even more easier, right? We won't need to handle any kind of like position stuff. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make it so it spawns transparent. Huh? Why? Oh, wait. I'm not sure if I can make it transparent though. Okay, I'm not gonna make that transparent. I'm just gonna put it in server storage. Same with our John guy. And I think he deserves some clothes. And I'm gonna actually find on the marketplace some clothes because this guy, I mean, it's not really, really nice looking. So I'm just gonna go on the Roblox marketplace. Wait, let me just go into marketplace, right? Right? Here we are on the marketplace, and let me just find some clothes for him, right? So let's do clothing, and let's do classic shirts. I don't know what John should wear. Something classic. Something like classic. Maybe even this is good. I don't know. We can try. We can try. Let's see. So John right here, and he will have clothing, right? No, wait. How do you add a clothing shirt? Oh, here, shirt, and let's add the ID. And wait, that actually not looks bad. We can change his color, so every NPC will have a random shirt, like a random shirt color. So that's actually really good. I'm gonna make it red for now, but it's actually a really nice way how we can like, have each NPC different. That's really nice. I like that. Let's find some pants and clothing, pants. Let's do that. And let's see, what do we got here? And we got I think jeans is good. Some kind of like black simple jeans. I don't want this white thing again. That looks weird. So I think I'll have more IDs and it will just be random. Of course, not now. I'm not gonna make the randomness now because it just, it takes much longer time. But I think for now, let's see if it loads. I mean, it doesn't fit the style though. It's too, like, this is too realistic, and then you have a simple color. So now I'm gonna search for something else. Something more simpler. Maybe invisible pants. What the? No. No, 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 no. You know what? I'm just gonna try these. But I think it'll look really weird. Holy. I mean, wait. Hear me out. No, no, no. We can't mix it. We can't mix it. That'll look bad. But I mean, it looks weird, man. This doesn't feel right. And I'm also going to change all the body colors to like a more better color. I think this is no, I don't know, man. Yeah. Oh no, 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 no. I don't know. I don't want that. Yeah, this is. I mean, this is good. Copy the color and put it everywhere. He's so white. That's weird to say, but it's looking pretty weird if it's not that white. It actually looks really bad. Is this better? Okay, that's much better. Light yellow. Yeah, no, I mean, yeah. Looks better. And yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. We'll no, nope, no. Nope. We'll not do that. I'm not sure what pants should we give him. I don't know. This game like it's like in summer, so like some kind of shorts. I'm not sure. I mean, I want some kind of white ones, so we can add it simply to the character and change his color if we need. Let me check. Nope. No, 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 no. We don't want this. We don't want this. Bro, no good shorts are here. What the hell? It's so weird. Wait, let me do man shorts. Huh? No? Bro, it looks really weird. I'm just gonna add these black ones for now. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Bro, it looks really weird. Wait, let me just search like restaurant tycoon NPCs. I need to get some reference, and this is just the first thing that popped up. I need some kind of customers. Right here. Most of the time it's like, I don't know, man. Where do the developer found the where do they found like those nice clothes that looks actually really nice? Bro, I don't know what to put there. I'm just gonna put. See, no. Just gonna put this there. Why it doesn't want to load? Oh my god, that's crazy. It just won't work, bro. It doesn't. Pants. Bro, I have no idea, man. What random? Okay, this could actually work. It's like very simple style. And this works. I mean, kind of. Not with the shirt though. Maybe the shirt needs some kind of change. Oh, wait. I mean, I like this better. But this looks also really nice. Okay, let me just add some hair to him. I'm spending too much time making an NPC that will probably not even be used in the game. I'm just gonna add this. This is the first thing that looks somehow good. Yeah, I mean, yep, it's alright. Okay, I'm gonna find a face now. Heads, classic faces. And I'm gonna just search some kind of face. This is good. Let's see. Head, face. What is texture content? Huh? That looks nice. But what look? Wait, did they change decals? Wait, why it says texture content? What? What is texture content? Huh? Okay, that's real weird. Roblox just added new decals. I mean, I also don't like the shirt that much, but it's just so hard to find a good shirt. That's actually not weird. I'm going to search for classic. Something like classic. Or summer. Yeah, summer. Summer. That's nice. And I mean, this could work probably for like one of the characters. Not sure, bro. Not sure. I just can't pick which one is good, and it feels so weird because I'm spending like an hour, or I don't know how long. Like 10 minutes already picking a good template character, even though it's not actually needed. This looks for like winter, bro. It's bad. I'm just gonna add this. It's going to look so bad, bro. Bro, it's like it doesn't fit into the into the game, if you know what I mean. I mean, this is good. Wait, let me try this. Let me try this. This actually looks good. I mean, yes, that actually looks really nice. For a template character, this is pretty cool. Yep. I'm just gonna change the color once more, and now we can actually start coding. Wait, that color looks just weird. Are you talking to yourself? Yeah, nobody's here right now. I mean, wait, is this guy still here? Probably. Or we can make a blue guy. Smurf. Wait, let me just make it more. Oh wait, that's actually a really nice color. Yeah. Okay. Now let me actually code the lemonade script because I spent like 15 minutes making a character, and now let's actually get to script something. And first of all, I'm gonna change this build a little just to make it look more low poly, right? I downloaded this plugin and low poly, and I want some kind of like bricks probably on top. Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. That looks nice. I'm gonna make it smaller though. We have size. I'm gonna make it. Wait, I can't change the size. What the hell? What? Wait, that's actually crazy. I can't change it. Bro, this plugin is so shit. I can't change it. No. Okay, let me just apply it, and then I need to change it every single texture. Yeah, I'm gonna make it more 5. Hello. I'm making a game where you sell lemonade, and even though it's not original, I'm just bored, so I'm making it. Okay. I mean, it works. What do we got here? Okay, some kind of error, but that's not really error. It's plugin. Okay, so let me actually test out the game. Yeah, that music actually feels pretty nice. Oh, yo, John. How are you today? So what do you want? Make a lemonade. And we got 90 coins. Let's go. Oh, another John. He just duplicated himself. Here you go, my guy. Yeah. I'm going to need to create some kind of message system for the user, so you can like see if you don't have coins enough to, I don't know, or if you already have the max limit of lemonade, or if you don't have a lemonade at the moment. I just began developing, I don't know how to do that. Yeah, I'm doing it for 7 years, like not professionally, but since I opened studio, and professionally for like 2 to 3 years. But it's just you need to learn every day and you'll get it. Wait guys, I need to quickly call someone. Wait, I currently got 2 users here, so wait. Okay guys. Okay guys, I am back and we can continue developing. So, first of all, I want, so it says like hi and bye and angry stuff, which I was preparing. Oh, I just hit my mic. Which I was preparing. I got an angry sound. I got a bye and a hi and coins. So these sounds will be like playing when you interact with those customers. So let me just make that. But I think I will need a local script for that. So it's kind of like, yeah. So it's kind of like local, right? Hello, welcome on the stream, yeah. Let me just make like local sound. And I'm doing this almost in every game. I'm not sure if it's the correct way how to do it, but I'm just gonna make a play local sound. I can't spell, bro. I'm just make local, and I'm gonna make a local event. This is very simple. And now we're gonna just do that play sound. Okay, now if we actually do something like this, right? We're gonna have the sound. And basically what I'm just going to do is, if sound is a sound, so if it's a sound, of course, we're going to just play it, and that's how it's simple. That's simple, right? It's kind of like a framework for doing stuff. I'm just wondering why this. Oh, okay. Let's now actually call this from server. So let's do something like here. Here in the game manager, I'm going to add wait. Here we go. We need events, and now we can play sounds like angry, happy, or stuff like that. So wait, replicate service. Wait, and if we got a success, so if success, that means that we actually sold the lemonade to the customer. We're going to play, so fire client, and that's the player. We're going to fire with a parameter with saying buy, and also coins, because we also sold it. And if it's not a success, so if you like interacted with him but you didn't give him any lemonade, he's going to be angry. What more do we have here? Yeah, and that's about it. And also when he spawns, like right here, let's say, yeah, something like that, probably a task delay 2 seconds, we're going to say hi. And also we want maybe I'm going to put this in a task.wait, normal wait. We haven't doing any kind of this stuff because yeah. So first we wait 2 seconds. Yeah, we should do that probably. I'm going to do this. Oops. Oh, let's say about that. And we're going to do object text equals probably the customer name, and the action text give lemonade. And let me try it now. I hope it works. Yes, he said hi. Let's go. And I'm going to make it so first it says the coins. And wait. After a second, it says bye. And if it's angry, it's immediately going to walk away. Let's do it now. Yo. Wait, he's angry. I don't have any lemonade. Here we go. Bye. So that thing works, and I think it's pretty cool. Hi. Bye. So it's really nice that we can. What did I just open? That we can do this, right? I'm like, it's really nice to have this. Wait. We can have tabs on left. Wait, it's actually. Wait, when did Roblox add this? I mean, wait, it's actually pretty cool. It looks pretty nice though. Not gonna lie. No, John is angry. No, John, don't be angry. So, let me make some kind of pop-up stuff because, yeah, I don't think I can do really anything else. So, GUI. This is the first GUI in the game, and I'm just going to call it like probably message UI. Yeah. And there's gonna be a frame. I just wondered. Wait, I'm wondering if I don't think I really need a queue system. Yeah, I'm not sure. going to be somewhere like here, but a little bit off of the edge. Yep. And more higher. But it's going to go from bottom, right? I mean, this is maybe too much. Yeah, this is nice. I'm going to add a list that wraps, and I'm gonna add a text label in like 20% of that scale of the whole frame, and I'm going to make it Comic Sans, and I'm going to do like, hey, this is a message. I'm gonna make it white with an outline. Yeah, that looks nice. So if we have two, it's going to kind of like stack. But I want it so it starts in center, which doesn't really matter, but yeah. And it starts in bottom. So it goes from bottom to top. Oh, wait, okay, I don't want wraps. Okay, I said that wrong. And yeah, that just works, I hope. So let me just make this transparent. And this to visible false, probably. And it's going to be a message template. Message template. Right, so yeah, that should hopefully work. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna add a local script and let's call it message handler with a event show message, and from here we're going to kind of like get that show message, right? So I'm also gonna get some kind of stuff like the frame, which we don't really need, but yeah. Then we're gonna get the message template, which we're going to cool on later. And yeah, now we can just get this event to do something. So that's just that message. I don't think really anything else is there. Yeah, that's all I think. And we can just now duplicate it to local message or local message label. Yeah. And message label dot visible equals true. Message label dot parent equals frame. So it's actually useful at the end. And message label dot text. That's the main thing. And we're gonna set it message. Set the parent to last, so it won't lag that much. And now I think we can just do something like task.delay 5 and just destroy that. I'm going to do some tweens, but for now this is a simple project, so no tweens are needed, right? Yeah, I think that's all actually. So in the show message, we can just, if it's success, we can fire it up, fire, right here, to the player with a message like +5 coins. And if it's not a success, you don't have any lemonade. You don't have, right? And also when you create a lemonade, which is right here in the lemonade maker, we should also make that yeah, make it a success thing, so true and false. right? Something like this is good. And I'm going to just fire it up. If it's success, +1 lemonade. And if now we got more than one, so lemonade limit, lemonade limit reached. And I think that's for the message stuff. Of course, that's a simple concept, but the main like message thing works now. So let's see, John. You don't have any lemonade. Oh no. And it should disappear. Yep, it disappeared. Let me make a lemonade. +1 lemonade. +1 lemonade. Plus it even stacks, so it's pretty good. +5 coins. I think the main game is done. And I've made actually some big progress today. You can actually... Yeah, this was not working yesterday. But today finally works. Yo. Oh no, I don't. Okay, the last thing I'm probably gonna make is this little thing, because you don't really know how much lemonade you have unless you count it. Like, you know, right now I can say, okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait. Lemonade reached. Oh, that's because we have 10. And this only shows 5, which is wrong. So I need to update the UI. Just update it up. This new UI is like weird, because why it's here when there is like blank space? This studio is weird, but I'm using it because yeah. Oh, we need to name it up, otherwise it will not work correctly. 0 out of 10 lemonade. I'm gonna make it bold, so we're just gonna call it like label, because it's not used, right? But this will be actually lemonade counter. So counter label, counter, or lemonade label. Yep, something like that. Doing some scripting today, yeah. Yes, I'm scripting a new game because I'm bored. And when I'm just looking in the game, why is the grass so big? Like the squares. Okay, I need to make that smaller. That looks pretty weird. Okay, this is much better. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, hope all goes well. Still can get tricky at sometimes. Keep up the grind. Good start to the game. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the support, bro. I appreciate it. Okay, I think it looks much better when we actually have this, or maybe no. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Oh no! I'm gonna need to keep this in. So the lemonade maker. Let me actually script the lemonade maker so we can see how much lemonade we have, because at the moment we don't really know how much lemonade we got. So in our game manager, and also new customer, I'm going to delete this print. I don't want this. Like, it's just triggering me off. So much messages. Not good. But I need to somehow... Yeah, I'm gonna declare the lemonade maker. Wait, we already have this here. I need to declare... Wait, there's so much mess. Lemonade maker.main, we already got here. But the GUI. So lemonade maker GUI. Or maybe just the lemonade maker. Yeah, maybe like GUI. Which is the lemonade maker main dot GUI att is the attachment for GUI, and dot lemonade label, or maybe, yeah, I'm probably gonna make it like the label. So this is immediately the label, and it's going to be a type of text label. So just we got it more beautiful, so we can understand it better. How long would you recommend running ads to hit algorithm? And would you say 80 ad credits is enough for my first game? Well, it depends for how long. The credit isn't everything. You can spend 30 credits with good tactic and you're gonna get viral, and you can spend even like maybe 100 credits and you're not going to get viral. So you can check on my video. I have a lot of videos on my channel with ads. with one I spent 70k Robux on ads. I already spent 4 million or 3 million into ads, but at the time of recording that video, I spent 70k. So yeah, just play around with it. But I would say like make it like every day spend like 10 credits for how much you have, 80. Yeah, so like every day maybe like 20 credits for, yeah, I don't know, like 4 days. But it depends, of course. You need to test out with your game what is better, if you have a good icon, if you have a good thumbnail description, if it, you know, if the user stays in the game. But that's of course depending on your game. So if you have a good game and at least some kind of strategy, you can get viral even with 80 credits. Heck, even with like 40 credits. So yeah, really nice for the start of the game. So yeah, that's what I will do. But you can of course do everything what you want. So wait, this label right here. Dot text equals 0, comma. No. Wait. Do we like get how much data we have? Yeah, we have profile. That's weird. I think we can load data or load profile. Or is it some kind of like function here? I don't think so. Well, let me check the library. Profile store. There's so many stuff here, but let's see. Method, start session, message, get async, holy, remove, next, data, profile the data. First session time of the first. All right. This is so much stuff, bro. What is this? Methods. It's active. Reconcile. End session. Add user ID. Remove user ID. Bro, what is this? This is really weird. And I don't think it's possible. So I think I'll need to code some kind of extra stuff. Let me just check this code. How do we get the profile here? Well, we get it by this, of course, and init means this. Profile is a type of. Well, this is pretty confusing. I actually don't know how do I? Oh, what was that? Oh, I don't really know how do I set this up, like to make it beautiful. Oh wait, I can just get a profile. Oh, it's a public table. Oh, okay, I'm so dumb. Wait, let me just do something like profile of that user, right? And then we can just do profile.data. Yeah, okay. I got it. Profile dot how much is it? Dot laminate out of, which is string, and the thing dot and the max thing, which is currently calculated by this. It's profile data laminate machine times 10. So if you have if I have the starting laminate machine, which is the only one in the game, it will be 10 max. And then I will say laminate. 0 out of 10 laminate. Maybe I'm just going to show an icon. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna actually show the laminate's string. I'm gonna put this into string so it looks better. And also we should do it when we start the game. But before we get a profile, right? I hope this works. I really do. So let me play the game. Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Oh no, laminate label is not what member of. No. Wait, I think. Yeah, I forgot billboard UI. Whoops. Oh, here. Yeah. Okay, simple fix. Okay, that didn't go. Let's see. Yo, John, welcome. 10 out of 10. So I have max. Yes, I cannot. Laminate limit reached. Okay, let me sell it. Oh, wait, that doesn't refresh. I mean, it works, but it doesn't refresh the text. So I need to kind of change that. Yeah, it refreshes when I trigger. Wait, so that's simple, no? I mean, like, it's pretty nasty. I don't really like this code, so I think I'm just gonna make a simple function because this is already 3 times more. I'm using this. Holy, this is so big. Local function refresh lem machine GUI. Lemonade machine GUI. And we really just need this and the profile. That's really all we need. Yeah. So I'm just gonna where we need it. Here. If you trigger, we're gonna do this. Okay, we need to put this above. This function is so big, bro. I don't like it. I might need to ask ChatGPT to rewrite the code for me. That's pretty sad. But I mean, okay, this should make the code look a little bit better. But I just don't like this big code. Maybe another function should be like here. Maybe like this thing should be another function because, yeah. So I'm gonna add a to do. Make the code more clean. Lol. Okay, but at least the refresh now works. Nobody will see that code because it's a server code. So, yeah. Let's go. It works. Wait, it's actually real nice. I just made this in how much? I'm streaming for an hour. And I was making an NPC in about 10 minutes, and that doesn't count. So, yeah, I spent about an hour making this game, and I already got this system. But of course, with a lot of breaks, I'm not like speedrunning it or something. I'm just like chill about it. And yeah, I think I'll end it up here for this game today. Maybe I'll work on it when I'm bored at midnight. But for now, this game seems pretty in good state for like the concept. Yeah, I like it. I like it. So yeah, really nice. But currently, of course, this game is not like any fun or addictive to play. So players will like leave in like maybe less in a minute. Because right now you only sell and that's the only thing. Make and sell. And there's not like an option to click. It's like a clicker game and it's even worse than a clicking game. So yeah. That sucks, but I'll need to make it better. Well, I'm just gonna make this how is it called? Bro, I'm not sure. Object text. How to look at noise. Where it is? What it is called? Oh, distance max activate. Oh yeah, max activation distance equals. I'm going to make this bigger, maybe like 10, and also the duration, so you don't like, accidentally do that. Will be like 2 seconds. Okay, I'm just gonna make this to like 5 seconds, so it kind of like tick. And I think a good thing would be, I'm just gonna make a script for all of the to-dos now. And I think another good thing would be to like make customers angry / walk away when it takes too long. And I just got another idea. 10 rating, more rating, no, get more rating by being fast, serve, small, bigger the rating equals bigger the payment of NPCs. So that's what I want to make in maybe the next stream. I'm not sure if I will stream tomorrow. I'm probably gonna to forget, but this is what I'm going to make. I'm just gonna do a Duolingo lesson so Duolingo doesn't kidnap me, and yeah, that's about it in today's video. Yeah, that's about it. So thank you everyone who was watching, who watched my stream, and I'm gonna see you in the next stream. Bye everyone. Bye.